Let's talk about how to use your OneTapConnect Smart Card. There's two ways to transfer your information. One is through the chip, the NFC chip in your card. Simply tap the top of an iPhone by the earpiece, hit the prompt button, and boom, all of your information is transferred. Way number two is through the QR code. Now, when you're on an Android users have the choice of turning their near frequency communication on or off. So you're going to tap an Android, you tap the back center of the phone, it immediately transfers all your information. Man, that's just cool. Worst case, you tap the back of the phone and their NFC is not on, you simply have them take a picture of the QR code. OneTapConnect, the most powerful networking tool on the planet, and if you think about it, you're just one tap away.